In the meantime, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, has significantly increased the security aid for Cebu Governor Pamela Baricuatro following reports of a death threat against her life. According to PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, the governor's security aids were raised from 2 to 14 police escorts. The threat allegedly involved a hired killer from Mindanao contracted for 2.5 million pesos. The PNP condemned all forms of intimidation and threats, especially those directed at government officials. Tuanyo provided details on how Baricuatro received the said death threat.
Ayon po sa investigasyon ng RD ng Region 7 na ang nasabing death threat ay hindi naman rekta na natanggap na nasabing gobernadora. Ito po ay nirelay lamang sa kanya ng kanyang personal assistant na meron silang common friend yung ating pong gobernadora at ito pong personal assistant niya na nagsabi po na merong death threat para sa buhay na nasabing gobernadora. Kaya sinasabi po ng Regional Director ng Region 7, ito po ay second-hand information.